Hey, my loves, there are no new special sounds today. And we're just going to review real quick the last four, I believe. Yep, the last four that we have learned. We're just going to review it real quick. And then what we're actually going to do is we're going to work on a paper together today. You and me together, okay? But first, I want to see if you still remember these. Are you ready? Are you sure? Okay, so tell me, what are these? Again? Now with me. Verb in 3, R in stars, Ch in church, or in morning. Good job remembering these, kiddos. And now we're going to work together. So I need you to go ahead and grab this paper for me. It's page 167. Page 167. There's a picture of a pie in the bottom. So go ahead and grab this paper for me. And then you are going to write your name. Beautifully done on top. You gotta write your name. Go ahead, write your name. Now I'm waiting for you to write your name now. Yes. Sticks are straight, circles are round, letters are together, not touching each other, but together. I'm waiting for you to write your name. I want to see beautiful names, K5. You all have beautiful names. Your parents gave you awesome, amazing, beautiful names. I want to see you writing them beautifully on your pages. Beautiful letters. Because Mrs. Veluccio and I are looking forward to getting those papers back from you. We're going to see them all, so you got to do a good job. All set? All done writing your name? So now we get to work together. Okay, so we're going to do number 1 and number 2 together. So I need you to grab a pencil if you don't have one in your hands already. You should, because you just wrote your name, so you should have your pencils with you. And then for number 1, we are going to circle the letter that completes the word. We have been doing this so many times, but we usually do it with words that only have one vowel. Now we're going to do it together with words, some words that have 2 vowels. Most of them are words that have 2 vowels. There's just 2 that there's just 1 vowel. So we're going to work on that, and in order to get this right, we got to remember when there's 1 vowel in the word, it usually says it's short sound. Yes, when there are 2 vowels in the word, the first one says its name and the second one is silent. Shh. So you got to remember that in order to get the right words. And then also remember that whenever we need to fill in either a word or a letter, we always got to try both of them to see which one makes sense. If it doesn't make sense, it's probably not right. Right? So we got to try them and see if it makes sense before we choose which one is the correct one. So let's look at the first word together. Let's read. First of all, let's look at the word. We're missing 1 letter, and it's going to be a vowel, either A or I. But there's already a vowel here. So that tells us that it's going to be a 2 vowel word. So the vowel that I put here is going to say its name. Yes, what's the name of this vowel? Perfect. What's the name of this vowel? Yes, so let's try. A, may, made, made. Is that a word? Yes, perfect. It is, but we're going to try the other one just to make sure. Just if the other one makes sense. I, my, mind. Is mind the word? No, so it's probably not I. So we're going going to go ahead and it's telling us to circle. So we don't need to write it here. We need to circle. We're going to circle A. Perfect. Next, are you ready? A, pit, pit, pit. Does that sound right? Yeah, I think so too. Let's just double check. A, pit, pit, pim. Does that make sense? No. So what do I need to circle? Yes, T. Perfect. Next. I already see that there's one vowel here. And my options are also vowels. So what is my vowel going to say? It's name. Yes, so let's go ahead and read. A, say, saved, saved. Does that make sense? Yeah, I don't think so either. So you gotta try the other one. Are you ready? I, side, side, side. Does that make sense? Yes, it does. So what do I need to circle? Perfect. I need to circle I. Now let's keep going. Are there any vowels in this word already? Yes, there's already one vowel here, and my options are also vowels. Perfect. So, whichever one I choose to put here is going to say it's name. Yes, so let's try. I, pie, pie, pine. Does that make sense? I think so too. Let's just try the other one, just to make sure. You, pew, pew, pewn. Does that make sense? Yeah, I don't think so either. So what's my answer? What should I circle? Perfect. I should circle I. So you go ahead and circle I on your paper as well. Let's keep going. Next word, I see that there's already a vowel here, and my options are vowels also. So whichever one I choose is going to say it's name. Perfect. So are you ready to try them? Let's try them. T, E, T, T, D, teed. Is that a word? Yeah, I don't think so either. Never heard it before. So let's try the other one. T, O, toe, toad, toad. Is that a word? Yes. Perfect. So what do I need to circle? I need to circle. Oh, yes. Okay, let's go to the last one. The last one, I don't see any vowels. Do you see any vowels? No, but my options are vowels, so I'm going to have just one vowel here, whichever one I pick. So whichever one I pick is going to say it's, nope, not its name, because it's going to be just one vowel. When there's one vowel in a word, it usually says its short sound. A says, E says, I says, O says, U says. Now I know my vowels. A, I, O, U. Perfect. So you gotta remember that those are the sounds they make. A, I, O, So that's what we gotta try. Are you ready? Ooh, lek, lek. Is that a word? Yeah, I don't think so either. Let's try the other one. Ooh, lick. Is that a word? Yes, it is. So what do I need to circle? Perfect. I need to circle I. Now we are all done with number 1. Number 2 says, write the word that best completes each sentence. So remember, in order to do this, we need to read the sentence, read all three options and see which one works better with my sentence. So are you ready? We learned this. This is a sight word. When it's by itself in capital, we have learned that it's a sight word that says I. Yes. I. W. Let me get my point. I. W. I. We. We. U. Will. I will. R. 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 Run. I will run. Nap. 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 I will run nap. Does that make sense? Yeah, I don't think so either. I will run pie. I will run pie. Does that make sense? I don't think so either. Let's try the last one. I will run ho. Home. I will run home. Does that make sense? Yes. So then I need to write home in the space. And then, if you want, you can just cross home out because we already used it. So we know the last two are not going to be home because we already used the word home. Are you ready for the next one? Let's read. Did. Did. Pam. Did. Pam. Bake. Did Pam bake the nap? Did Pam bake the nap? Does that make sense? Can you bake a nap? No, you can't bake a nap. That's silly. So we gotta try the other one. Did Pam bake the pie? Did Pam bake the pie? Does that make sense? Yes, it does. Obviously, we can bake a pie. Yummy, yummy pie, yummy, yummy apple pie. Delicious. So, we gotta write the word pie in the space provided. And then you can cross pie out because you already wrote it. We just have one more sentence and just one more word, so we know it has to be that word, but we're still going to read and see if it makes sense. Okay? Tom. Will. Tom will. Take. Tom will take a nap. Tom will take a nap. Does that make sense? Yes. So then you can go ahead and write the word nap on the space provided. There we go. And then we cross out nap. And we are all done with the front side of this paper. But guess what? You are not done yet because you're going to do the back. Okay, we did the front together, but you're working on the back by itself. But the back is very fun. And it's things you are so used to doing. So, for number 3, you are going to just circle the special sounds and mark the vowels and read the words. You know how to do this with your eyes closed. So good at this. You can do this very, very well. And then for number 4, you are going to color each object the color next to its name. So you got to read the names here. Look for the object and then color it using the color key. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Okay, we're gonna do the first one together. Let's read the first one together just as an example. Pull, a, play, play, plane. So you gotta look for the plane. The plane is right here. So then you find the plane and you see that the color next to plane is red. So you're gonna color the plane red. And you're gonna do the same thing for all the other objects and then you are all done.